guys? My name is Donovan Wormood, 16 years old, from Nevada, California. This is my bike. I'm running the Colony Miner frame, Primo Kamikaze forks. Front wheel, I got a profile leased to a 7K with a FAF tire. Pink fit stem, S&M Grand Slam XLT bars. I'm running the no flange Odyssey Spacebar grips, Aaron Ross's grips, I love them. ODI bar ends. I got the FSA Impact headset. Back there I got the Demolition Team cranks with the Odyssey Burlington sprocket and the Colt chain. And these pedals, I'm running the premium red pedals with grip tape, love those. And I got the same wheel in the back, the profile laced to the 7K with the Duo stunner. And I got the Shadow Conspiracy seat and a fit seat post.